It is the 18th of August 2026, and welcome to today's French A1 class made from real news stories.
Today's main story is about a football official being dismissed.
3 other top news stories featured on LINGUAWIRE.com today. First, Ginny Buss, gouverneur des Lakers, refuse la vente de la part familiale. Ginny Buss, the Lakers governor, refuses the sale of the family share.
She says no to the family sale.
Next, le Premier ministre britannique Andy Burnham fait l'objet d'une enquête après des messages avec une fausse Susie Wiles. The British Prime Minister Andy Burnham is the subject of an investigation after messages with a fake Susie Wiles.
A fake Susie Wiles? That is a strange inbox.
And le CDC des États-Unis publie encore une baisse des vaccins en maternelle. The CDC of the United States publishes another fall in kindergarten vaccines.
Now, time for today's main story.
Here is today's headline. En Suisse, Fifa renvoie Kevin Lam, son chef des opérations. Now say it out loud yourself and see how much you already understand. En Suisse,
In Switzerland,
FIFA renvoie
FIFA dismiss
Kevin Lam, son chef des opérations.
Kevin Lam, its head of operations.
And notice, son means it's here, not his. French often uses son before a noun, even when the owner is a company or group. Everything from here is also written out on today's lesson sheet, linked below. FIFA renvoie Kevin Lam. FIFA dismiss Kevin Lam. Kevin Lam est chef des opérations. Kevin Lam is head of operations. The word chef is the boss or head, and it can be used for a person in charge at work. Son travail est fini. His work is finished. Today, travail is the work he does, not a school task, and it is one of those everyday nouns you hear everywhere. Le projet est nouveau, mais il est déjà critiqué. The project is new, but it is already criticized. Mais joins 2 ideas that clash, so the second half pushes against the first. Le projet est pour des groupes privés. The project is for private groups. Say it with me. Projet. The French J is soft, like the S in pleasure. Now for the pattern of the day. Renvoyer. To dismiss, je renvoie. Tu renvoies. Il renvoie. Nous renvoyons. Vous renvoyez. Il renvoie. The headline uses the il form. Renvoie. The stem shifts a little in the plural, which is normal for this verb. One last time, at full speed. En Suisse, FIFA renvoie Kevin Lam, son chef des opérations. Now you. Before you go, one question from today's story. Qui est renvoyé?
That is, who is dismissed? Qu'est-ce qui asks what when what is the subject of the verb. Here it is in everyday French. Qu'est-ce qui se passe? What's happening? Is it A, le chef, Gianni Infantino, or si, une personne privée?
I will not tell you which one. Think about it.
Well done. That is today's class. Sign up for free on linguawire.com to get the lesson sheet with extended vocab and grammar for this episode, a 3-question quiz to check your understanding, and to subscribe for free to get each episode delivered every morning to your inbox so you build a learning habit. For accelerated learning, enrolled learners get a personalized interactive lesson delivered to their digital classroom each day. The link is with this episode. See you tomorrow.